Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to take trades with market structure. Let's start now. This is AD and GT pair. The trend is in downtrend here. So a strong downtrend. So I will try to check the level. So there is no near level maybe. So here in 50-minute chart there is a level. Okay. So in 1-minute chart there is a level here. This level. So there is a level here. Okay, here as well. Let me check whether the market will get support or not. Okay. So I will check it in lower time frame. So this is 5-second chart. So the market is making lows continuously. There is no new high. So if market makes any new high, I will try to place a higher option trade, or I will try to place a lower option trade only, because there is a level. This level the market is getting support continuously. So continuously it is making low and it is getting support. Okay. So the market broke this level. So the market broke this level and the market is trying to make a strong candlesticks here. Okay. So I placed a higher option trade. So I placed here a higher option trade because I saw a strong buyer center again. Again it came back to the same level. Again it made a engulfing pattern here as well, and here as well there is a engulfing pattern. So it is a level already we know. So we can expect buyer's entry because it broke the level. Okay. So and already we know this is a level 2. So the market made a low. Okay. So first time the market made a high here. Okay. Okay. So a strong candlestick, it broke this level. It means still the market wants to go down only. So I will try to check another level near to this price bar. Okay. So the next level is here. So here as well it is getting support continuously. So I will check it in 1-minute chart. So 1-minute chart it is a level. So it is a level. The actual reversal point is here because the market made a new high suddenly here, and it got support from the same point near to this point. It means this is the actual level to reverse. So I will try to draw one level to here. So this is the actual level to reversal. From this point we can expect trend reversal. So until market reaches this level, we will have opportunities to go with sellers only. Okay. So still the market is trying to make a new lows. Okay. Okay, it failed to make new low. So if it makes new low, then I can place a lower option trade. Okay. Yeah, so it made new low. No, it rejected again. So we need a body should close below the new low, the previous low. Then only we can place a lower option trade. Otherwise, we will avoid it. Yeah. So the level is too far. Okay. So now it made a new low. So we have opportunity here to place a lower option trade. Okay. So we are seeing seller's entry already. Okay. So I placed a lower option trade because it is a level. If you see, it is a level. The market is getting support here, and the trend is downtrend here. So the trend is a downtrend, and it made a new low. It made a new low means we can expect seller's entry only, not a buyer's entry. Okay. Let's see what happens here. Okay. 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 We have 5 seconds. Okay. This is a winning trade because of my entry point. So it failed to make new low. Okay. So if market makes new low at least than the previous low, then I can go with sellers. Okay. Okay. I missed this entry point. So because it made a new low than the previous low, that's why I wanted to place a regular option trade, but it didn't place. Okay. So it failed to make new low. This is the previous low actually for this trend, but it failed to make new low. So it means the market may reverse at any time. Okay. So it made a new high first time in the market. Okay. So I will try to draw this overall trend. Okay. It didn't reach the level. Okay. So it made a new high. It came back to this level and getting support here. That's why I wanted to place a higher option trade. But I didn't get proper entry point. Okay, on the next attempt, I will try to place my trade. Okay, I think I may get one opportunity now. Okay, so it made a new high already, we know. Okay, okay. So I placed a higher option trade because we saw already a new high and we saw a rejection candlestick, a hammer candlestick from this point strongly. So already we know it's a new high. It means we can expect here a buyer's entry at least for one candle. That's why I placed a higher option trade. Okay, let's see. We have 10 seconds. Okay, this is a winning trade. So this is a winning trade. So it didn't make new low, still the market reversed from this point. Again, it is trying to make new high. So this is the previous high. So this is the new high. So I can go with buyers. Okay. So the market wants to reverse from this point directly. I don't know. This might be a temporary reversals. This might be a temporary reversals only. Okay. So it failed to make new high. So it made a new high, but here it failed to make new high. So it is a consolidation area. I will try to wait for one more candle. Okay. Okay. So it is a consolidation area until it make new high. I can't decide. Okay. So here the market is getting support continuously. Okay. So I will try to place my trade on this candlestick. So it is a consolidation area. Continuously the market is getting support here as well. Okay. Okay. If I get any sellers candle, I will try to place my trade with sellers. Okay. So I am seeing lower rejections only. So I'm not sure because it is a art block area. So the sellers may enter at any time from this area. So I need a strong confirmation only. Okay. Now only I'm seeing a strong confirmation, but still there is a lower rejections continuously. Okay. So if the market is making highs, lows like this, we can expect, we can predict easily. But here we are seeing a straight market, so we can't predict it easily. So it made a new low suddenly. Okay. 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 Very late entry. So I wanted to place my trade here because from this point it already reversed. So it made a new low here and it got support here. That's why I wanted to place my trade here, at least with some marginal safety is needed. But it is very late entry. So it may give me a loss in trade easily. Okay. Okay. So my entry point is not good. That's why I lost the trade. So the market wants to reverse from this band. It made a new low. So still the market is getting support here. Okay, I'm expecting here a seller's candle only. Okay, so I placed a lower option trade. So I didn't make new low, but I placed a lower option trade because the market got support here from this band. That's why I placed a lower option trade, because the market got support here means sellers will easily enter here, at least for one candlestick. That's why I placed here a lower option trade. Okay. So if it makes new low, then we will get one more opportunity to place here a lower option trade. Okay, it didn't make new low, it didn't make new high. So you can see the market failed to make new high and got support here. That's why I placed here a lower option trade directly, because it is a order block candle. From the order block candle, the market is trying to get support. You are seeing upper rejection. It means the market will continue its downtrend till the next level. Already we know the next level is here. So it didn't reach the next level. It means it will try to go down only. From this point, we can expect downtrend. You can see the seller's candle. So after getting support from the order block area, it made a new low, but it failed to make new high. It means we can expect seller's candle. That's why I placed a lower option trade from this area. Okay. So this is my first trade, because it is a level. It broke the level. So it broke the level. After breakout, I saw a engulfing pattern, again an engulfing pattern. That's why I placed a higher option trade. Okay, you can see this level also it broken. The market broke this level too, and I saw a engulfing pattern in this candle as a confirmation. That's why I placed a higher option trade. And this is my second trade. Because of this level, it made a new low. The next level is 4. That's why I placed a lower option trade. And this is my third trade. Because of this candlestick, a confirmation candlestick, and it rejected from this level, it already made new high. That's why I placed here higher option trade. And this is my fourth trade. So it is not my mistake, but I wanted to place my trade here because the market is getting support here, but it placed here because of fast momentum. Sometimes it happens. We can't do anything. So that's why I got it. I got the losing trade here. And so this is my last trade, because it failed to make new high here. It failed to make a new high and it made a new low from the order block zone. That's why I placed here a lower option trade. So still the market made a new low, means still we have opportunity here. You no need to worry about it. So always observe the new highs and new lows in the market, and how the market is moving, where the market is getting support. If you know, then it will be easy to take trade. So these all trades I placed my trade with some marginal safeties. That's why I got a winning trades here. So because you need to observe the new lows and new highs, and you need to identify the trend. And if you place your trade at the level, then it will give you a winning trade mostly. Even though if you are a if even though if it is a red candle or green candlestick, because of your entry point, you will get winning trades. Or if you want to predict the next candlestick directly, so you need to observe the market direction. So if you observe the market direction, the new lows and new highs, then you can place directly to. It will also give you winning trades. But if you place your trade with right entry point, then it will definitely give you a winning trade. So you can see still the sellers are entering from the level, because it is out block zone. That's why it is going down. This is the next level to reverse. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, like, share and subscribe.